Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. After opening the app on iPhone, black screen will appear with the spinning wheel in the middle of the screen for a few seconds, and after that back to home screen. This happened after the iOS update. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, try the force restart. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, then press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the force restart, that second thing that we have to do, update all apps. For that, tap and hold App Store and tap on updates. Now we have to check the list, is there is any update available for apps. If there is, then tap on update all or update one by one. The third thing that we have to check is iPhone storage. Go to settings, general, iPhone storage, and make sure that you have enough free space and iPhone storage is not full. The fourth thing that we have to try, reset all settings. Go to settings, tap on general, tap reset, and tap reset all settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings in pop-up window to confirm this action. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Number 5. Check the latest version of iOS. Go to settings, tap general, and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. The final solution is factory reset iPhone. Go to settings, tap on general, and tap reset. Tap erase all content and settings and tap erase now, and make sure that before this process you have a backup of your iPhone. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.